Hello everyone. Today I'm here to present about my project capstone. Um, the main idea is called Know Your Carbon Footprint. Um, quick introduction about myself. I'm Jarani Mohan, and currently I'm working as a robotics software engineer. And last year I participated in the climate change learning for action program with TerraDo, and I really love to like contribute more into the climate space. So that's one of the reasons I took this course. Um, one of the important things which I've always felt, and the reasons why I'm learning more about climate change, is I believe that awareness is the first step to change. So that is also one of the reasons why I'm propelled towards trying to figure out how do I calculate my carbon footprint and what are the different actions I can take as an individual as well. And I feel that awareness can help others as well to like make use of the opportunity to like know about more sustainable practices in their particular state or country. So, the problem I'm basically trying to tackle is the lack of carbon footprint awareness. Many people are not aware of what actions of theirs is actually contributing to climate change, or even like they are not aware of incentives and savings which is present in their community to like actually make use of it. And this ignorance is basically causing more impact to like carbon emissions as well as environmental degradation. So the tagline is basically track today, sustain tomorrow. And the idea is that this app, uh, pardon me the name, it's just a fun name I came up with on this ride. So EcoStride is basically an app which I'm planning to develop. And the focus of this app is basically to provide a daily carbon footprint tracker analysis, and also like allow you to like come up with some personalized goals and challenges. And the more bigger picture is gives you more opportunities to involve with your community and give some more incentivized ideas about how to like probably participate in a food sharing program or some rewards program which will make more which will help make your life more sustainable. So quick overview. So basically, the idea for climate is mostly to like impact towards reducing the carbon footprint and how to like come up with some sustainable choices as a community, and that's what I'm very much interested in. I feel like community action will drive a bigger change, and the real time tracking of the app is what I'm hoping would make a big differentiation in the market, as well as like have more subscriptions and probably more sharing between using Slack. So Slack supports app functionality, so we can have like Slack communities who can sync up with this app and add them to the particular Slack community app and use that for also um, making this be more available to everybody. And the bigger technology part of it is using an AI model, and the biggest advantage of leveraging AI is that it can continuously learn and make improvements with more and more information, up to date information. So I started with an alpha version for this capstone. Definitely, it's not a completely integrated iOS app or Android app, but it starts with a very simple Stack AI application, which takes in a set of inputs. And the main things I'm looking for as an output is carbon emissions per sector, what are the different energy incentives on a particular area, and also a graph showing what's just most more. I think I like images, so that's one of the reasons I added that as well. So and it gives a summary of like how you can switch to a resource in that area. So this is an alpha solution. So you can just do a quick, if this can play. Not sure whether this can actually play. So probably it's not what yes intended, but I've shared the slide deck. So this basically is an application where you can take in and enter the locations. It asks about what are your food choices, the transportation, the waste disposal, and different equipments. Currently they're all like single input, but you could always make it a multiple choice, and then it comes up with some sort of basic information about your carbon footprint, what are the different incentives. And I've tried this to cover multiple areas across the world. So this is a place called Trivandrum, India, where I'm from. So that also like it covers what are the different options over there, and basically gives a summary similar to the one I shared in the previous slide. So you can check out the YouTube video and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Um, the risk management of this software basically is that a software as an app, like whenever you develop an app, there's definitely a lot of competitors out there who can come up with better applications. And the biggest thing is data privacy, as well as like how to come up with more accurate and reliable data. One of the biggest challenges I faced while developing the alpha version is to come up with a set of data sets from different agencies which can be reliable and also which can be fed to the AI such that it can understand that data and as well as produce a result which is true. The truth in all of this is what I'm hoping, something which we have to improve through like understand and how to like gauge that useful data from proper reliable sources. So that is one of the biggest technical challenge as well as the data challenge which I am facing right now. The other parts is obviously developing the app in a way that's very useful to a user as well as like how to make this more accessible to everyone. So next steps of this is basically the beta version development. So definitely more effort need to be put into understanding what exactly are the requirements for the application and how to develop it and test it. And as you know, I'm the only person in the team right now, so that's the other part of it is basically identifying other roles and bringing in more people, probably working in different sectors across um, the energy field as well as like other sectors who can contribute with like data sets which are very important as a part of the integrity of the app. Um, so thank you for this opportunity, Jennifer. It was an amazing opportunity for me to like understand more about the latest developments in AI, and I wished, and also thanks to MIT and Stack AI because they have both have been like very very good at like making sure everybody has access to these kind of information. And I think again the same part of driving back to the point of like accessibility to information awareness is the key to change. So I believe that this course has also helped me become more aware of the different technologies out there which I can use to drive change. Thank you, everyone.